Hello, my amazing friends. Welcome back to the Listen and Speak Center. Today, we need to talk about something very important. It is a feeling that stops many learners. It is the feeling of fear. Let me ask you a question. Do you understand English? When you listen or when you read, you understand the words. But when you try to speak, nothing comes out. Your mind goes blank. You feel shy. You feel afraid. What are you afraid of? You are afraid of making mistakes. You think, what if I use the wrong word? What if my grammar is bad? What if the other person laughs at me? This fear is a wall. It is a big, strong wall between knowing English and speaking English. Today, we are going to break that wall. I want to tell you a secret. The secret to speaking good English is to speak bad English. Yes, you heard me correctly. You must speak bad English. You must make mistakes. Mistakes are not your enemy. Perfection is your enemy. Perfection tells you, wait. Do not speak. You are not ready. And so you never speak. You wait, and wait, and wait, and your speaking never improves. But mistakes are your teacher. They are your best friend. Think about this. When you learned to ride a bicycle, did you ride perfectly the first time? No. You fell. You made a mistake. You got up and you tried again. You fell again. Each time you fell, your brain learned something. It learned balance. It learned what not to do. Speaking English is the same. Every time you make a mistake, every time you use the wrong word, your brain says, "Oh, that was not right." And it learns. It adjusts. This is real learning. Real learning is not perfect. Real learning is messy. If you wait for perfection, you will wait forever. So, how do we practice making mistakes? How do we practice speaking bad English so we can become good? Here is a simple plan. I call it the 5-minute shadow. Shadowing means you listen and you speak at the same time, like a shadow. Here is step 1. Find an easy audio, a very slow, clear audio. You can use this video. It must be easy. Step 2. Play the audio and try to copy the speaker. Yes, speak with me right now. Try to copy my voice. Copy the sounds. Copy the rhythm, the music of the words. It will feel strange. Your words will be bad. You will miss some words. This is perfect. This is what we want. You are not trying to be perfect. You are not trying to understand every word. You are just training your mouth. You are training your brain to move at the speed of English. You are building muscle memory for your tongue. Do this for 5 minutes every single day. Just 5 minutes. This is not scary. You are alone. Nobody can hear you. There is no fear. After 30 days of this, That big wall of fear, it becomes smaller. Your mouth feels more comfortable. The sounds feel more natural. Then, when you are in a real conversation, the words will start to come out more easily, more automatically. You will stop thinking so much and you will start just speaking. This is the goal. This is what we want for you here at the Listen and Speak Center. We want you to feel free. We want you to feel confident. And freedom starts with being brave enough to make mistakes. So, here is your mission for today. Your homework. Do not wait. After this episode ends, I want you to try. You can use this video. Go back to the beginning. Play my voice and try to speak with me. Just for 1 minute. It is okay if it is bad. Remember, bad English is the secret path to good English. Thank you for listening. Keep listening. Keep speaking. And keep making wonderful, beautiful mistakes. Until next time, bye for now.